are the three
We have
angels.
the old video camera that does, it still does the tapes. And then the video camera. I think they're pretty good too. I was thinking of.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Did you?
It's better if she doesn't know.
At the back of my head, that's the better
Just her smile changes like the second she sees the camera, the whole thing.
What?
Alright.
What?
Is no, not you. I'm talking about Grandma.
Oh, okay.
Hey Lauren.
I just looked over and all three cameras were at me. It was weird.
No, I was taking a picture of Grandma. It's just you're in that direction.
You guys are just good, just sitting there posing
You're in
beautifully.
the way.
Maybe you should shuffle, Steve.
I'm in trouble this time.
Merry Christmas.